Start. Kiara. Violence against women is a major social problem in the United States. National surveys estimate that at least 2 million women each year are battered by an intimate partner, and crime data from the Federal Bureau of Investigation record about 1,500 murders of women by husbands or boyfriends each year. Overall, the Bureau of Justice Statistics report that women sustain about 3.8 million assault and 50,000 rapes a year in 1992 and 1993. More than 75% of these violent acts were committed by someone known to the victim, and 29% of them were committed by an intimate, a husband, ex-husband, boyfriend, or ex-boyfriend. Studies estimate that between 13 and 25% of all US women will experience rape in their lifetimes. These figures are believed to be underestimates. Para. The consequences of this violence against women may be long-lasting. Both rape and intimate partner violence, battering, which is frequently accompanied by psychological abuse, are associated with a host of both short and long-term problems, including physical injury and illness, psychological symptoms, and, in extreme case, death. And the consequences go far beyond the individual female victims, affecting their children, families, and friends, as well as society at large. Para. Research on violence against women is a relatively young and fragmented field. At this early yet critical time in the developing field, Congress, in the Violence Against Women Act of 1994, directed the National Research Council to develop a research agenda to increase the understanding and control of violence against women, including rape and domestic violence. Congress specified that the agenda focus primarily on preventive educational, social, and legal strategies, including consideration of the needs of undeserved populations. Para. In convening the panel on research on violence against women, the National Research Council specifically charged the panel with the following task: synthesize the relevant research literature and develop a framework for clarifying what is known about the nature and scope of violence against women, supplement the research review with lessons learned by field professionals and service providers, and identify promising areas of research to improve knowledge of the scope of the problem and interventions for dealing with it. Para. After reviewing the literature on battering, rape, and sexual assault, the panel concludes that significant gaps exist in understanding of the extent and causes of violence against women and the impact of effectiveness of preventive and treatment interventions. In order to begin filling those gaps, and panel recommends a research agenda to facilitate development in four major areas: preventing violence against women, improving research methods, building knowledge about violence against women, and developing the research infrastructure. Stop.